guys, today's video is completely different to any of my other videos. So I just wanted to support the hospitality industry. For anyone who's not from the UK, we are currently in a lockdown again, and we've been in it basically since after Christmas. And these lockdowns are just having a massive effect on so many industries. And one of the industries that it is having a huge hit on is obviously the hospitality industry. Now, there are obviously a lot of restaurants that are doing takeaways, things like that. But we live in the East Midlands and we love to go to London, Leeds, Manchester for long weekends, and we like to go to certain restaurants when we're there. So obviously we can't support those restaurants on a takeaway basis because they're over, you know, some of them are over 70 miles away, some of them are 100 miles away. So some of the restaurants that we like to go to have sort of thought outside the box, and they've created home kits where you cook some of their signature dishes at home. Now, we had one for Valentine's Day, which was from our favourite restaurant in London, a steak restaurant called Beast. And then we also ordered one this weekend just gone from a restaurant called Tattu, which is like an Asian fusion kind of restaurant. And I had to film it because the amount of thought that they put into this box was just so incredible. I felt like it really deserved a little bit of a highlight. But what I loved about the Tattu one is this booklet that came with it. So this is your cooking booklet. So this was the February box. The February box was called the Caramel Soy Fillet Steak box. What I like as well is they've talked about their suppliers here. So they've talked about where the fillet steaks have come from, they've talked about where all the vegetables have come from, and they've also talked about where the wine has come from. Then you've got the picture of the food that you'll be cooking, and then that's like the menu section. So the menu that I cooked was crispy aromatic duck spring rolls, caramel soy fillet steak, and special fried sweet potato. And then the wine that came with it was Hanging Snakes Shiraz. Now, the next page, you've got here another lovely picture of what the steak should look like. No pressure, that's what I was thinking. I was dead nervous doing this. But they've got what's in the box. So all the things that have come with the delivery. Then, and this is what I really loved, is you've obviously got your guides here of how to cook each one, but there is a QR code here, and the QR code is for the cooking and presentation instructions. So you scan it, and then this guy cooks each dish, and you can watch him cook it, and you can see how easy it is. And what I love is it's not a chef that's doing it. It's actually, I don't know whether he's like a head waiter, maitre d' or whatever, but he's not the chef that's doing it. So it just goes to show how easy it is to cook. And on the bottom here, they've even done like a little timeline. Honestly, so much thought has gone into this. So what to do: 80 minutes before cooking, remove your fillets and your sweet potato from the fridge, all the way going through to like 15 minutes in, drop your asparagus into some boiling water. And then, yeah, the back page is just the sweet potato one. And then the fact that they've gone even further, they've gone that extra step. And on the back page, they've got another QR code for the sounds of Tattu. Listen to the exotic sounds of Tattu whilst you dine. Incredible. Like, just, I can't, so much thought has gone into this. It's brilliant, and it just it just deserves a video on it. So we'll get into the cooking part of things. I am in my daggies because it is the weekend, so don't judge. Here we have the Tattu bits. I'm presuming that this is going to be, yeah, how to cook it and everything, all the things that we'll need. So we'll have to check we've got all them. And then we've got, what's this? Might be easier if you unpack them. The spring rolls. These are all the sauces. That's for the sweet potato. That's this one. Asparagus. And the steak pit. And a bottle of wine. Isn't that everything? So these are all the bits, and then this is the instruction booklet. The first thing we're going to cook is the duck spring rolls. Now I've sort of moved all the different bits to where they need to be. And that's going to cook for 3 to 5 minutes. I think it's probably going to take 5. Because the pan's quite big. So getting it to that golden colour. So I'm just going to just a tiny bit, drop that in. So they're quite nice and golden there. So I'm actually going to pop them onto the baking tray now. I'm going to make sure this pan's nice and hot, which it is. And there you go. Also leave tin foil, because once these have cooked, we're going to wrap them in tin foil and leave them to rest for 10 minutes according to the instructions. I'm just going to get the silver foil ready. Okay, so we're just going to pop those into the silver foil now. So next I need the caramel sauce, and I need to put that into a saucepan. There we go. Now pop in our duck spring rolls, which look like that. They're going to go they're going to go into the oven, and they're going to go in for 10 minutes. My partner's just laughing at me right now. Right, that's now caramelising nicely. I'm going to put in 75 grams of butter. Okay. This is the Szechuan garlic cooking oil. We're going to just cook that Szechuan oil. Very, very low heat now, the caramel sauce, which smells incredible. So I'm just going to pop those in. The asparagus is going to go in now. I want the shiitake mushrooms to go in there. Vinegar glaze. In it goes. Serve it all up. So, I mean, they're very nice. Chopped chives garnished over the top. lime. I'm not a chef, but I don't think we've done too badly. So guys, I mean, what an incredible meal it was. It literally tasted beautiful. I didn't need to be nervous about it. I felt quite comfortable once I sort of got into the groove of cooking it. And yeah, I think we ate it probably in about 5 minutes flat. It was so nice to have restaurant quality food at home with flavours that, you know, I would never cook with those flavours. I wouldn't know how to put those flavours together and, you know, create dishes like that. So it was like we were eating out, but we were eating in, and we were supporting a restaurant that we know and we love a lot in our household. And it was, you know, the only bummer was the fact that someone had to do the washing up. That's it. But apart from that, you know, it's great. And I really hope that it's something that they continue to do after the lockdown as well. Yeah guys, so if you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up. I know it's a little bit different to what I would normally do. If you did want to see more at-home boxes that we get over the period of lockdown, then please do pop it in the comments. I'll happily do some more. But for now guys, that's it from me, and next time you see me it will probably be more beauty related. All right guys, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys again really soon. Bye.